So hi everyone, I am Muhammad Farhan and today I'm going to explain you how the GitHub project is going to be created and you can modify based on your choice. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, for that you have to go to the GitHub and in the GitHub you have to select the project, and after selecting the project you will see here this one already I have created it, so don't mind, please ignore it. So you have to create the new project, and once you are going to click on the new project something like is going to be pop up to on your screen. So there is many templates are given. So now which one is going to be good for you, just select it. Mostly like Kanban and this iterative project is going to be useful. So just check which one is going to be useful for your project, just select that one and just create the project. After selecting the project it will give some boilerplate like that, and that's all, you have created one project. So now if you want to change the name, just click on this. Let me go again and show you. So this one, when you are going to over, this one is going to be, and just give the name what is going to be of your like Android project or something, whatever the, and just give the testing Android, whatever the project is there, and just give the name meaningful and testing and just select it. Now there is many field is there that is not going to be required for and not needed for me, so I'm just going to delete and want to make a neat and clean. So just I'm going to delete it. Just go through that. If it's going to be useful for you, just take it, else just delete it. Make a neat and clean. So that's all. I have now two only, the current iteration and next iteration. Now the current iteration and the next iteration, if you want to see, go to the second iteration. So here it's given like 2 weeks iteration, but in my organization only one week is going to be, so I will just going to change it into one week. So for that just I'm going to delete everything, and now I will add it. I will add it 4 to 5 iteration. So each one is going to be like from 14 is going to be started, and then it's going to be 21 is going to be ended. So like that weekly it's going to be, and automatically it's going to be closes, and next it's going to be started. So we have created that iteration. Okay, so this one we have created, each one iteration we have created, and we have given a one period of time. Okay, and this one is the next iteration. Now if you want to change this name or you want to add that, so there is another, this one you can add this one, and then column and everything you can add it, new column if you want to add you can add from here. Else just you can go here and into setting, go to the status, and for now I want to ready this one, I just want to rename it to do. Okay, and I want to add one more field, that name is field, one more option I just want to add, that is hold. So I just aim to add it, that hold. Now if you want to suffer it you can just do it, but I don't need it that one, so just I'm going it here. Now if you are going to see, you will see there is another one field is there, hold is. So now you want to know how to create the PR, how to create the issue. So there is a two way to create the issue. First you can create from here, you can give the name like API integration, API integration DCR something, you can give it and you can create it, and it will ask which repo from like is going to be. So just select which repo is going to be associated with that, which repo is going to associate with that, any labor who is going to assign and everything. So there is who is going to take up. So now I have created, here is the hidden one is coming. So now inside the inside project coming. So now inside the inside project I haven't choose the iteration. So I just have to select the iteration now, and then where it's going to be size, iteration, estimate, milestone, and this one is done. So now it will come in a backlog. So you have to just select to do or backlog, whatever. If you want to go in continue, just select this and then you can see it in where you have selected. Just select to do. If you are going to start this sprint, so it will automatically come to do. Now just assume it this task, if you are going to complete that, so just assume it. So this one task you have assigned, so you just have to do's, you have to change this to in progress, and whatever comment if you want to push integration or something, whatever the comment if you want to put. And for example, now you have created a PR, so just create it. It will close, so it will automatically will move to the done. If it's going to be closed or done, then it's going to be automatically move. Okay, so now if there is a team, if you want to invite a team, how you can invite team? So just you have to go manage access, and you have to give the username like MD Farhan username, or whoever MD Farhan like VSM, and then you have to invite him, and you have to check that the permission and everything, you have to permission what permission you are giving, then only he can view and then he can do something. So after that accessing, you can come here, and now just assume it. You another way to create issue, just go to the project here, and my repo is there, this one image search. So in the image search, I just want to create one more issue mean like that new issue is there, doctor uh, list, doctor list, doctor list something, some new task I got it, and I have to go here inside the project, and I have to select the project, which project this is going to be. And after selecting project, I have to select the status, like it's going to be backlog, it's going to be in progress, or it's going to be to do. And now here option I will get whom I have to assign that. So for example, there is already one user have accepted, so I will get this user and I'm going to assign it. So I'm going to assign this task to that person. So now if I will go to the project team iterative, if I'm going to project Android project, I can see that where the task went. Search new issue is 4, and this one just now I have created, and there I have given to do, and which iteration I have selected. Sorry, I haven't selected the iteration, that's why it was not showing there. So you have to select which iteration you are going to do. So this is the current iteration, now it will show there. So like that, if you are going to start it, you are going to move it, and then in peer review, then just peer review, and when it's going to merge, it will automatically move to the done part. Okay, so now we are going to see what is the label and how we can create a label and the filtration how we can do. So let's begin. So creating label, we have to go to the repo, which repo we want to create for that. For example, image. So this is my repo, and here I have to go to the issue, and inside the issue there is a label tag is there. I am going to create it. So label is basically is going to help you to filtration. For example, take a one example. There is a one company that have a one project Android. They are working on a Android, but inside there is a many teamers there that is working for different company. Like one Android is working for X company, another Android is working for the Y company, another is Android people developer are there that is working for the Z company. They are all building that. So how you are going to identify which user for which project they are going to use? So label is going to use for that. So you can tag that. So now, for example, now I'm going to create a one new label. That name is front end. Front end. And another one team I'm going to create as a back end. Another one team I'm going to create as a example incentive. So I have created a three level as a incentive backend front end, and the bug already is there, dependent duplication there. Now I have to create the issue so you can understand better way. New issue I'm going to create it like doc1. I'm going to create it. This one I have created, and I'm going to assign this one to MD Farhan VSM person, and label is going to be front end. He's going to work on a front end. And in the project, which project is that Android is there, and it should be in to do, and which iteration he is going to work in a current iteration. So same I'm going to again create doc2. Doc2 I'm going to create it. This one is going to be me, and label is going to be the backend, and the project is Android only. Status is going to be to do. So and just I'm going to set that iteration, and to do I have set it. Okay, now another one doc3. Doc3 same I'm going to assign, and this one I'm going to assign to D. This person I'm going to, and this one I'm going to give incentive. Project is 100 only, and to do, or he just in progress, he just started it, and it a current is going to be the current progress. Okay, so now I have created some. Now I'm going to inside the project in, and then I will see that doc1 doc2 is going to assign to me, doc3 is progress. Now what the label is going to be do, how we are going to identify what. So label we will type as a label, and we will type as an incentive. what the label we have created, incentive. So incentive, all the task is going to be listed out in progress, to do, done, and everything. We can filter it out based on the iteration. Also we can filter it out based on that label. Also we can do. So incentive, there is one task that is in to do. Front end also we can do. Front end we are going to do, there is a one task in to do only. So in to do. Now if you want to check based on the person, for example, there is another one person is there, I'm different, that is me only. But second idea I have, so this person I want to check what he is doing and what are the tasks he assigned. So he have done another one task doc, one is there that is in to do, and then in progress, and that is on code review. So we can check person wise also. So that's all, I think. I hope you understood that. Thank you so much. Bye.